Let's walk through how to create a virtual network on Microsoft Azure, step by step. Start by opening your Azure portal in the browser. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see the main navigation panel with all your Azure services and recent resources listed. From the portal home, click on Create a Resource. This opens the resource marketplace where you can browse and deploy different Azure services. You'll see categories like compute, databases, and AI plus machine learning listed on the left sidebar, along with popular services in the main area. In the search bar at the top, type Virtual Network. Once the result appears, click on it, then click the Create button to begin the setup process. You'll now be taken to the Create Virtual Network page. The first thing you'll fill out is the Basics tab. Here, select the subscription you want to use for this virtual network. Then, choose a resource group, which is the logical container for your Azure resources. If you don't have one yet, click Create New to make one on the spot. Next, give your virtual network a name, and then select the region where you want it deployed. Once the Basics tab is complete, click Next, IP addresses. In this tab, you'll configure the IPv4 address space using CIDR notation. For example, 10.0.0.0/16. Below that, you'll define at least one subnet. A default subnet is usually pre-filled with a range like 10.0.0.0/24, but you can adjust this to fit your network design. You also have the option to add an IPv6 address space or configure a NAT gateway if your setup requires it. Click Next Security to move to the security settings. Here you can choose whether to enable Bastion Host DDoS Protection Standard and Firewall. Toggle each option based on your security requirements and click through to the next tab. When you're ready, click Review plus Create. Azure will run a validation check on all the settings you've configured. Wait for the validation to pass, and once it does, you'll see a summary of your configuration, including the subscription, resource group, region, IP addresses, and security settings. Click Create to deploy your virtual network. Azure will process the deployment, and within a few moments, you'll see a confirmation page showing the deployment is complete, along with details like the deployment name, start time, and a correlation ID. From there, you can navigate directly to your new resource. So that's how you create a virtual network in Azure. A virtual network is the foundational building block for your private network in the cloud. It works much like a traditional network in a data center, but with the added advantages of cloud infrastructure, including scalability, isolation, and high availability. IP addressing plays a critical role in keeping your resources connected. Private IP addresses handle communication between resources inside Azure, while public IP addresses allow direct access to Azure resources from the internet. Getting this configuration right from the start ensures your network is both functional and secure.